Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're jumping into my March 2022 Boxyluxe box. Can't believe it's another Boxyluxe, so this is going to be the Spring Luxe box. We're going to jump into all of the items inside, do a full review, demo, try on the works. Plus I have something for my base box to try on and my premium box to try on because there wasn't enough makeup in those videos to really make it worth it. So I'm going to incorporate those in today's video. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into my Spring Boxyluxe box with me, stay tuned. Alright, so it seems like this is another one of those big variation months, as this is variation number 402. You know I don't love these massive variations, but unfortunately, this is what we have. Now my skin is already prepped and primed with the Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer from another box, but I'm going to jump in and put my base on and prime my eyes, and I'll be right back to jump into the first item. Alright, I am back and I am ready to jump into the first item in the box. So, coming from the brand Stay Calm, this is from Give Them Lawless Skin. They are the Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Masks. Soothe and soften your skin in a flash with the Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Mask infused with naturally calming ingredients like aloe, chamomile, and licorice root. This sheet mask will leave your skin feeling hydrated, soft, and visibly smoother in just one use. I have so many sheet masks that I don't know what to do with, so I'm going to drop those in an upcoming giveaway and move on to the next item. From the ingredients, there's not going to be anything wrong with it, it's just not something I need right now. Next, from the brand Lawless, this is the Never Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Shine Smoothing Gloss. Clinically proven lip plumping treatment and ultra shiny gloss with immediate and long-term plumping, softening, and hydrating benefits in a universally flattering sheer baby pink shade. Immediately, lines are filled and the lip surface is smoothed. With consistent use, lips are proven to increase their volume and plumpness in fewer lip lines. This retails for $25. Now, normally I would put a lip gloss on last, but I do want to give it some time to work, so I'm going to pop it on now. Cute little application. Definitely looks like a thick, sticky formula, but we're going to see. Definitely a thick gloss, definitely a little sticky, but I'm not feeling any tingling or burn, so we're going to see if this actually plumps. Next item is one that I've tried and do not particularly like. This is from Juice Beauty. This is the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. Clean vegan, 2.5% bioretinol and retinol serum with breakthrough scientific technology encapsulating the vitamin in evening primrose to assure stability and to avoid toxic chemicals. Skin rescuing technologies to help your skin looking and acting youthful while you're to help keep your skin looking active and youthful while you sleep. The serum glides on smoothly and leaves a feeling hydrated. Retails for $72. Now, when I said I don't like this, my mother actually really does. So I'm going to pop this into a box and send it to her because I gave her this the last time I had it and didn't love it, and she really did like it. Next is going to be an item I'm actually really excited to try, but I don't need right now, but I'm going to open it anyway. This is from Complex Culture, which is Ipsy's brand. And this is the Filter Out the Daily Blue Light Defense Mist, retailing for $32. Moisturize, set, and protect all in one step with a multitasking blue light defense mist. A botanical powerhouse clinically proven to protect your skin from harmful effects of HEV blue light rays, vegan, cruelty-free, and using a mood-boosting scent to soothe your screen time. Simply close your eyes and spray anytime you need a screen break. Now, I've been using the Item Beauty screen break, but I am excited to give this one a try, just because I've said this before, mists are kind of my weakness. I will always use a new one. Definitely a cute frosty bottle. Not a great mister, but I don't think it's going to be aggressive, but again, we'll try it. Ooh, that definitely does smell really good, and it was a nice mist. I'm going to press it in with my sponge just to make sure there's no droplets anywhere. Next up, from the brand Natasha Denona, this is going to be Cupid Eyeshadow Palette, which I think is absolutely stunning. Retailing for $48, with 3 velvety mattes and 2 dazzling metallics, the versatile 5-pan Cupid palette is all you need to create a range of romantic looks from flirty to fierce. Featuring rich coppery browns, bright champagne pinks, and luscious burgundy corals, all 5 shades are velvety, hydrating, and effortlessly layer. I already know I love the formula, so we're just going to do more of a tutorial and less of a review. I will be using the Luxie beauty brushes that came in my base box and following up with the premium box Big Bang mascara from Aether Beauty. That might be backwards. One came in the base box, one came in the premium, and we're going to use both of those with the Natasha Denona palette. Starting with the Luxie 205, this is the tapered blending brush. I'm going to go into this shade right here. And I'm going to take a decent amount of that, and I'm going to really start patting that in the upper outer crease area. Once I feel like I'm happy with where that is, I'm going to take a little bit more, and I'm going to turn the brush on its side and just gently blend into the crease. Once I have that blended where I want it, I'm going to go into the lighter shade on that same brush, and I am going to take that color above this one and just use it to gently soften the edges. Switching to the eye shader brush, I'm going to take more of this dark shade again, and I'm going to build that up on the outer portion of the eye. Once that's on, going in for another quick blend. Next, jumping into this champagne shade in the middle, I'm going to take that on the third Luxie brush, and I'm going to give it a little mist just so that it's extra metallic. What I love about this formula is you can get a really nice cut crease without actually having to cut crease because the formula is so pigmented. Taking that first brush and just gently diffusing the edges a little bit, and then taking a tiny bit more of that dark brown, and again, just blurring where those two colors meet. I'm gonna do this on this side, curl my lashes, and I'll be right back. So my camera was not recording. I did curl my lashes, but I also did my lower lash line. It was just the same colors I used on top, underneath. It's a little more dramatic than I was going for, but honestly, that's what happens when you aren't paying attention. Jumping into the Aether Beauty mascara, like I promised I would be using in another video. We're gonna put this on. I love this mascara because it's very black and it goes on really beautifully. Now, I don't have a ton of natural lashes, but I do really like the way that this makes it look. Normally with an eye this bold, I would put a lash on, but because we are playing with a mascara, I am not going to do that today, but just know, typically I would also have a lash on. Moving on to the next item in the box, coming from Frank Body, this is going to be the Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator, retailing for $19.95. Feeling flat, Perky will perk you up. It is a sculpting moisturizer for smooth, hydrated skin, packed with caffeine to firm your favorite asset, acai to give you a boost, shea butter to hydrate, and Logan seed extract to sculpt your booty. Also comes in a reusable coffee cup to rinse when you're done for coffee on the run. Really cute, not something I'm going to use. Next, coming from Ren Skincare, is the Radiance Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. Retailing for $49, this eye cream combines 95% natural origin ingredients to visibly reduce dark circles after just 7 days with an irritation-free formula suitable for all eyes, and bioactives to brighten, hydrate, and plump the look of the entire eye area, formulated with elderberry flower and glycogen. I can't read today. I have not liked most of the Ren Skincare I've tried, if I'm being honest. And again, if I want a vitamin C brightening eye cream, I will use the Beauty Stat or the Caudalie. So this is another one of those items that not only do I just not need at this time, and not something I'm really interested in trying. And the last item comes from Drybar. This is going to be the Liquid Glass Miracle Smoothing Serum. Meet the ultimate frizz fighter. Heat-activated technology wraps an invisible shield around each hair to provide frizz resistance, leaving a super glossy, silky finish without wearing your hair down. Lasts through 3 washes and is a heat protectant up to 450 degrees. Definitely something I'm going to use once I'm ready for a new serum. Currently using one from Fanola Beauty, and I'm loving that one. But I'm on my last one, so as soon as I'm done with that, I will jump into this. All in, this box had a retail value of $309.95, which for a $50 subscription box, or $60 now that they raised the price, definitely getting my money's worth out of it. It was sent to me in PR, so I didn't actually have to buy it, but when I do want to see if a product or a box is good, I like to see would I be better off taking that money to Ulta and Sephora, or getting the box, and in this case, with products like these, definitely worth the value of the box. That being said, there were a few items in there that are just not my speed, but it's definitely something I feel like most people would like. I'm just not one of those people. As always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear what you have to say, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!